Hey there, power-hungry pals! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we make your shopping decisions easier than finding a charger in a messy drawer. Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of power supplies. On the left, we have the Corsair RM1000e, and on the right, we have the MSI A850GL. One is like a reliable friend who shows up on time, while the other is that friend who's always late but comes with pizza. Let's see which one is going to power your dreams without blowing a fuse. First up, let's talk about price. The Corsair RM1000e is rocking a price tag of $179, while the MSI A850GL is strutting in at a more wallet-friendly $119. Reviewers have noted that the MSI A850GL is ideal for budget builds, making it a great choice if you're looking to save some cash. With that kind of savings, you could buy yourself a fancy coffee machine or, a couple of extra RGB lights for that sweet gaming setup. Next, let's look at modular design. Both the RM1000e and the MSI A850GL have fully modular designs. This means you can connect only the cables you need, which is great because, let's be honest, we all have enough tangled wires to create a small city. Reviewers of the Corsair RM1000e have praised its modular design for efficient cable management, while users of the MSI A850GL appreciate its ample modular cables, although some found the connections difficult to manage. But hey, at least your cable management skills won't be tested with either of these beauties. Now, let's get technical. The RM1000e is Intel ATX 3.0 certified, which means it can handle the PCIe Gen 5 platform like a pro. Meanwhile, the MSI A850GL is also ATX 3.0 certified, along with ADP-LS Gold certification. Reviewers have noted that both products deliver stable performance, but the Corsair RM1000e gets a slight edge for its ability to resist transient power spikes. If you're into power efficiency and saving the planet while gaming, you can't go wrong with either. I'd give them both a gold star for effort. Let's talk about noise levels. The RM1000e boasts a 120mm rifle-bearing fan that keeps things quiet, like a ninja in a library. Reviewers have praised it for its quiet operation, even under full load. The MSI A850GL also promises quiet operation, with users noting it performed well without any strange noises. If you hear a sound resembling a jet engine, just remember, it's probably not the PSU. It's your friend who can't stop talking about his GPU. Finally, let's check the reliability. The RM1000e comes with 105 degrees Celsius rated capacitors, delivering steady, reliable power, which has been highlighted in several reviews for its stability and durability. Meanwhile, the MSI A850GL offers a 10-year limited warranty, which is a great safety net. Reviewers have expressed satisfaction with both products, but I'd say Corsair's capacitors give it a slight edge in reliability. It's like having a backup plan for your backup plan. Overall, the Corsair RM1000e is praised for its quality, durability, and quiet operation, while the MSI A850GL is recognized for its affordability and good performance. Both power supplies have their strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. So who's the real winner here? If you're looking to save some cash and still get a solid PSU, the MSI Meiji A850GL is your best bud. But if you're after that sweet power efficiency and reliability, the Corsair RM1000e might just be worth the splurge. Whichever you choose, just remember, a good power supply is like a good friend. It keeps you powered up and ready to go. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which PSU you'd pick and why. Until next time, power up and buy smart. Links to the products are in the description.